Hi, my name is David. Today, we're going to do a free code camp tutorial on applied accessibility. We're going to learn how to use the footer element in HTML. So similar to the header and nav, the footer element has a built-in landmark feature that allows assistive devices to quickly navigate to it. So it helps with accessibility, and if there's any assistive devices, it can go to it. Is primarily used to contain copyright information or links related to related documents that usually sit at the bottom of the page. So we can see the footer will be at the bottom, as we can see here. And basically, we want to change the div element to a footer element in this exercise. So we see here, we have a header, we have a nav, and then we have a main. Within the main, we see a section. Within a section, we see a couple articles inside of there. And then at the end of this, once the main is closed out, we have a div with the copyright. So we can just change this to footer. And that's the opening tag. And now we do the closing tag. And that should be it for this one. Thank you so much.